Why do I always have to make a bed around you? It's always bedtime for you, Papa. You sleepy? Are you sleepy? Really? What are you doing? You guys ready to go? Mama, you ready to go bye-bye? You ready to go bye-bye? Come on. Let's go. You gonna take Jax outside? Ready? Ready to go bye-bye? Ready? Okay. Come on, let's go. Ready? Stella. Hey everybody, so it's Shannon with Wolves on the Run. We are at a rest stop right now, and we are on our way to a park in kind of near the Panhandle Idaho and near Montana, the border of Montana. So we are headed up that way, but we just spent the last few days in Boise, Idaho, visiting our friends Spencer and Jessica, and then we visited with my Aunt Georgette, Uncle Jerry, and my great niece Lily. So it's been a while since I've seen them, so it was great seeing them, spending some time, and now we are hitting the road again, and we'll keep you along with us.